In this tutorial, we will dive into the basics of Python programming, specifically, how to open and close a file. This is a fundamental skill for working with external files in Python, so let's get started. First, we define a variable file name and assign it the name of the file we wish to open. Make sure that the file is in the same directory as your Python script, or provide the full path to the file. We use Python's built-in open function to open the file. We pass in the file name and R, which stands for read. This means we're opening the file in read mode. Here we are reading the content of the file using the read method and storing it in the variable content. We then print the content to the console using the print statement. The output displayed is the content of the file that we just read. If there's no text in your file, the output will simply be an empty string. After we're done with the file, it's important to close it using the close method. This frees up resources and ensures that other programs can access the file. Now, let's experiment with opening the file in write mode. This time, we're using W instead of R. This means we're opening the file in write mode. If the file does not exist, Python will create it. Be careful, though, if the file does exist, this will overwrite its contents. Here, we use the write method to write some text into the file. Note that this does not yet show in the file, it first needs to be closed. Once again, we close the file with close. Now the changes are saved into the file. Let's reopen the file in read mode to verify that our text was successfully written. After reading and printing the content, we close the file again. As expected, the content of the file now matches the text we wrote. This demonstrates that we successfully opened the file, wrote to it, and closed it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key functions you learned today are open, read, write, and close. Keep practicing, and happy Python coding!